Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear brother and sister, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn dua for after coming out from bathroom. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahilladzi adhhaba 'annil adha wa afani ghufranaka 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 alhamdulillahilladzi adhhaba 'annil adha wa afani ghufranaka. The means is this dua: all praise be to Allah who removed the difficulty from me and give me easy relief. My dear brother and sister, don't forget to comment how was the video, and if you like this video, press the like button and share this dua with other people. May Almighty God give you best reward, inshallah. And if you want to learn other dua, check out description. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.